if the cold wind blows. I'm gonna wind up working in the thick of it. Sunshine through the rain and snow. There's an early brown Bilgewater baptism waiting below. It's just the waves on the topside sound. Don't ever let the rolling motion go and get you down. Don't let it shake your steady thread cutting hand. Keep stealing ribbons from the ceiling, giving hell to every higher you can. Every day is like a war between the will to go on and a wish that the world would spiral into the sun. Turn your head toward the storm that's surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and a load always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every God-given night. We'd break under the weight of any pressure that was ever applied. When the straw boss calls, you got an ever-loving bone to pick with one and all. Don't let his condescension get you down. Just have the strength to know you're wrong, and when you're right, the strength to stand your ground.
In spite of all the weather wrong, to fight it all, I will face it all.
In spite of all the wherewithal to fight it all, I'll embrace it all. When every day is like a will between the will to go on and a wish that the world will spiral into the sun. Have the faith to find the strength to stand your ground. If the sun was always shining and the load always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every God-given night. We'd be crushed under the